Have you heard about functional programming but do not know how to apply it to NIM? Today, we are going to explain procedures in NIM and how can we use them in depth. Functional programming is a programming paradigm that emphasizes the use of functions, or procedures, to perform computations. In a functional program, functions are treated as first-class citizens, meaning they can be assigned to variables, passed as arguments to other functions, and returned as values. This style of programming often results in code that is concise, easy to reason about, and highly reusable. NIM is a multi-paradigm programming language that supports both procedural and functional programming styles. Procedures in NIM are defined using the proc keyword. Here's an example of a simple NIM procedure that takes two integers as arguments and returns their sum. In this example, the add procedure takes two arguments, a and b, both of type int. The int after the argument list specifies that the procedure should return an integer. Inside the procedure, we simply add a and b and return the result. To call this procedure, we would do something like this. In this example, we call the add procedure with arguments 2 and 3. The result of the procedure is assigned to the variable result, which we then print to the console using the echo statement. To assign types to the return type of a procedure, we use the type syntax after the argument list. For example, if we wanted to define a procedure that returns a string, we would write this. In this example, the greet procedure takes a single argument, name, of type string, and returns a string that says, hello, followed by the value of the name argument. To require arguments in a procedure, we simply list them in the argument list. For example, if we wanted to define a procedure that takes two strings as arguments and concatenates them together, we would write. In this example, the concatenate procedure takes two string arguments, a and b, and returns their concatenation. To pass arguments to a procedure, we simply call the procedure with the arguments separated by commas. In this example, we call the concatenate procedure with the arguments hello and world, and assign the result to the variable result. Finally, NIM provides a shortcut for defining pure functions using the func keyword. A pure function is a function that has no side effects and always returns the same result given the same inputs. To define a pure function using the func keyword, we simply replace proc with func. In this example, the square function takes an integer argument x and returns its square. The func keyword tells the compiler that the function has no side effects, meaning it doesn't modify any global state or perform any I/O operations. This can help the compiler optimize the function and make it faster. And that's it. You can now go party with your Haskell friends. Thanks for watching, and hope I'll see you in the next video.